Gibbs sampling is a powerful Markov chain Monte Carlo technique used to generate samples from complex probability distributions. It is especially useful when working with high-dimensional models in Bayesian statistics and machine learning. What is Gibbs sampling? Gibbs sampling is a special case of the Metropolis-Hastings algorithm that simplifies sampling by updating one variable at a time while keeping the others fixed. This makes it more efficient for models with multiple dependent variables. How Gibbs sampling works. First, we initialize all variables with starting values. Second, we update each variable one at a time by sampling from its conditional distribution given the current values of all other variables. Third, we repeat this process for many iterations, allowing the sequence of samples to converge to the desired distribution. Advantages of Gibbs sampling. Gibbs sampling is efficient because it avoids unnecessary rejections, unlike the Metropolis-Hastings algorithm. It works well when conditional distributions are easy to sample from, making it useful in hierarchical models and latent variable models. It is widely used in Bayesian inference, where direct sampling from joint distributions is challenging. Example of Gibbs sampling. Consider a scenario where we have two dependent random variables. Instead of sampling them together, we alternate between them, drawing each one from its conditional distribution given the other. Over time, the sequence of values forms a representative sample of the joint distribution. Applications of Gibbs sampling. In Bayesian statistics, it is used to estimate posterior distributions in models with multiple parameters. In machine learning, it is applied in probabilistic graphical models such as hidden Markov models and topic modeling algorithms like latent Dirichlet allocation. In genetics, it helps analyze DNA sequences and infer population structures. Challenges of Gibbs sampling. The method requires careful initialization to avoid slow convergence. If variables are highly correlated, Gibbs sampling may take longer to mix properly. Some models have complex conditional distributions that are still difficult to sample from, reducing efficiency. Conclusion. Gibbs sampling is a powerful tool for generating samples from high-dimensional distributions. By leveraging conditional distributions, it simplifies complex sampling problems and plays a key role in Bayesian statistics, machine learning, and data science.